Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and really excited for the Beachly Spring 2022 box. Let's not waste time, let's open it up. It looks like it has some fabric in here. I don't know what that means. This is Lost and Wander, and it is a shirt. No, it's a dress, a shirt dress. And it's a color I'll never wear. Like I said before, and for those of you who are new, I have very yellow skin. So anything orange, yellow, or coral looks really bad on me. But it's cute. What is this? An extra small? I don't know. I am not sure about this. I'm not gonna try it on because I'll tell you what, this is not something, I know it's not gonna look good on me and I know it's not my style, so I'm not gonna wear it. But it's cute. Let me look at the fabric. So this is 100% rayon. Not per se a natural fabric, but it does keep you cool, so it's good for the summer. And it is very cute. It's just, I just wish it was a different color. Kind of bummed that it's like this corally orangey salmon, that's what it is. It's a salmon color, but it's cute. I will let you know what the prices are down below in the description, so if you wanted to order it, you can. Next thing we have here is like a trio of, oh, I think that these are travel sized tubes. This is good because you know how usually you have like a bottle and you put your shampoos and conditioners in there? They're still just the same size, but this can kind of flatten out. I kind of like that. I think that's really cool. Oh, how cute. Isn't that nifty? So I guess you, oh, okay, you unscrew it and then you put your product in it. This is also good if you want to like bring some sunscreen on the beach and you don't want to bring like an entire bottle. You just want some for the day and you fill this up. That would be really, really handy. These are cute. I like this. It's a good idea. All right, next thing we have is Scarlet Salt Air. What is this? It's a perfume. Yes. Ooh. Oh, this is, I don't know what this is, but I think it's a perfume. Maybe I should get my magnifying glass out. Yes, it's a perfume. Fragrance notes are driftwood, seaweed, and sea salt. It smells really, really good. Oh, I love it. It's so different. It's not like off-putting. It's refreshing. It's very summery. I don't even know how to explain it, but it just smells delicious. I love it. I don't have anything like this. I'm really excited to try something new. This is fun. This is like, I think if you're a beach lover, you'll like this scent. That's all I'm saying. It smells really, really good. SKYLAR, I'll put a link down below to show you where you can get it. God, it smells delicious. Okay, so far so good. Like I said, this should be a different color, but other than that, everything's good. Oh, this is cute. Lotus and Luna. It's a little bracelet. Handcrafted with love in Thailand. All right, this has like a little note on it. It says, thank you for joining our mission to help end the cycle of poverty for artists and villages in Thailand. I love that. I absolutely love that. Our artisans are empowered individually with new skills, fair wages, and the freedom to work from home while caring for their families. This allows their small village economies to not only sustain, but to grow. That is lovely. That is amazing. It's so pretty. Look at this lovely color. Totally wear that. This is a great, great, happy color. Oh, now it doesn't match my outfit, but whatever. And it's got like this, you can grab with one finger and the other and just kind of pull. Oh, that is adorable. How cute. All right. Good job so far. Oh, you never know what you're gonna get. These are great. These are packing cubes. This is great because you know you can never have enough. I have a bunch of packing cubes, but they're starting to get kind of dingy. I mean, not like dirty, but like falling apart a little bit. This is so nice. It closely matches this. This is so funny. I think this is good if you're like going to the beach for a day, or if you're staying somewhere where the beach is a little far, maybe like over a 30-minute drive and you want to get out of your bathing suit, you could put it in here. Keep it like this in your car or something so it still airs out, but it's not getting your car wet. This is smart. This is so adorable. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. That is so cute. Last but not least, it's a beach bag. This is fun. It's important to have a lot of bags, right? It's got plenty of room. I mean, it's cute. It's Rays for Days, and I will of course tell you what the price is in the bottom and give you a link to where to get it. It's like knitted. It's really great. It's got like an inside zip pocket. What I love about this though is that it zips. I have a tendency to be a little clumsy, drop stuff and lose stuff. This is cute. All right, so we got this lovely tote bag for the beach, travel size tubes, perfume, a bracelet, this Lost and Wonder, I think it's a cover up. You know, this is also good for the pool, you know, especially this, like when you're if you walk to the pool, if I walk to my pool, 10-minute walk to the pool, and when you're walking back from the pool, it's the worst feeling to be walking around in a wet bathing suit, let me tell you, and a cover up on top. So it's best to just change out of it. I just wish this was a different color because it is really cute. It's not, like I said, it's not my style though. Like, I know these sleeves are gonna look really boxy on me and it doesn't look right with my, I don't know, my body shape is kind of weird. Everybody has different things that look good on them. Square stuff doesn't really complement my body so much, but this is very cute. If it was a different color, I would have been really happy. I wonder if they have it in a different color. I should check that out. But it's cute. It's not bad. It's not horrible. And these packing cubes are just awesome. I love this. So cute. Well, there you have it. I hope you guys liked this video. I thought this box was really nice. I will let you know what the total price is and let you know if I find it worth it. I definitely think from what I see that it was definitely worth it. The last box was okay, but this one is just way better and I'm really happy with it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and you'll see me when my next video comes up. Bye!